Sngap uneu Charlie Kirke burang Shaphang hakan dekis putrik uang Kumno Shaphang ka balang Katolik kijing hikai jongka wat Kumno uang Shaphang ka Maria Tesuti.
So I'm not Catholic, but I have great respect for Catholics. And something that I've always admired about the Catholic Church, especially in recent years, is some of the strongest social conservatives are Catholic. And they tries to make us convinced we're going to protect life. We're not going to go along with the trans mafia. And honestly, some of the most articulate people in public life talking about the family are your savior. I think that we as evangelicals and Protestants, we've overcorrected. We don't talk about Mary enough. We don't venerate her enough. Mary was clearly important to early Christians. There's something there. In fact, I believe one of the ways that we fix toxic feminism in America is Mary is the solution. Have more young ladies be pious, be reverent, to be full of faith, slow to anger, slow to words at times. Mary is a phenomenal example, and I think a counter to so much of the toxicity of feminism in the modern era.